Hi guys! Hello, hello! Ngayon po, gumagawa na po tayo ng portion po para sa mga homeless. Salamat po sa mga nag-comment po before. Kadalasan noon may mga natitira akong pagkain. Sinisave ko na lang na kakainin namin. Pero ngayon, dinadagdagan ko na po yung niluluto ko para makashare naman tayo sa mga homeless. Kaya, nagpo-portion na po ako dito at mamimigay tayo. Sa totoo lang po, parang naggising din ako na namulat ako na oo nga pala, mas marami yung mas nangailangan ng pagkain. Kasi karamihan po dito, may mga tao po na matutulog na lang sila na walang laman yung sikmura. So, at least may mabibigyan po tayo, may makakain bago man lang makatulog. Ito po yung aking pinoportion. Mga 10 po itong aking mga lalagyan and mamimigay po tayo. By the way po, ang ulam nila is pata tim. Tara na, let's go! Kevin is here. Hello!
How you doing?
Alright, and you?
Yeah, I'm not doing well.
Why?
Got 2 nights on the street, no money for shelter.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, I'm having such a miserable time. Please, I really appreciate you.
I hope
asking
you
me
can
and-
enjoy your food.
I'm hungry. I haven't eaten from.
But now again, that is, I'm sorry, but that is a pork.
I
again.
know. I enjoyed it the last time. If you got any
Alright.
extra, bring it and come with me. Thank you. Enjoy, guys.
Fortune, he's not here today.
No, he's not here today. If you don't see him, you can bring him back.
Yes, how is it?
I'm enjoying it. At the
Okay.
same time,
At the same time, what?
there's no words to explain. It tastes so nice.
Alright. Maybe you want more.
Yes, please.
Okay, can I request something?
No problem. Anything for
Oh,
you.
tell me, isa pa please?
It's
Alright.
a please.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alright.
I don't think what me. I haven't been here from morning.
Alright.
I don't know.
So you're enjoying the food?
I'm enjoying it, ma'am.
Alright.
Thank you, guys. Bless you all. Have a good weekend.
Okay. Guys, I park like a distance from him pero nilapitan niya tayo para lang sabihin na nasarapan siya. Kaya binigyan ko na lang siya ulit. Patatim po yung binigay ko. Siyem, parang gutom na gutom siya. Anyway, i-try po natin mag-drive. Baka may mabigyan na naman tayo na iba. Oh, you. I'll just give you more money now.
Sure. Thank you so much, man.
Alright.
Thank you.
There's no one by the robot yet.
Thank you.
Alright.
That's my friend. Thank you, sir.
Hey, ma.
Alright.
Hey, thanks very much. Thanks very much, mami.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good night.
Alright.
Day. Day. Cute.
Yeah, bon.
Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
There you go, guys. Naibigay na po natin yung ating Pata Team.